So regarding the software, so Catia V5 is an integrated computer-aided engineering tool. As you all know that it is a it work as a bundle of CAD, CAM as well as the CAE and some of the more other application. If you have heard about, if you know that the some software like AutoCAD, these are known as the drafting software, so they have the capability of doing computer aided designing, but you cannot do some manufacturing process itself. What do you mean by the manufacturing process? When we will call the CAM terminology computer aided manufacturing, that means we can generate drafting of a particular model, we can generate 3D model, we can generate a 3D code to perform like 3D printing and do some machining operation. So Catia itself have all the information, all the 3D printing machine, all the milling machine, all the cutting machine equipped with the software. So you can specify particular machine with your model and you can perform that manufacturing action, that how much time it will take, how it will be possible, is there any restriction is there or not, so you can perform and check for your feasibility also. So that is why it is known as an advanced software when compared to the other one. It is completely rewritten since the Catia V4 and still under development. So there are number of versions are available like Catia V4, then we have V5, and currently we have V6 also. But there is a one major difference between the Catia V5 and V6. Later I will conclude that. So Catia V5 is a native window application. It is a user-friendly, icon-based graphical user interface. What do you mean by the user-friendly? That means the icon which are provided are the graphically very well represented. That means you can see the point, line, spline, surfacing. So all the icons are presented as a graphical manner. So you can identify those module without having much knowledge about that one. Double click on the Catia software, you will see this screen. This is the screen which we have discussed in the last class about the Catia interface. This is the actual window which you will see at the first, which contain the start menu, file, edit, view, insert, tools, analyze, and window and help. At the bottom you will see option for the new, create a new document, open a new file, open an existing file, save your existing data. You can quickly print your model, you can copy and you can paste your data from one screen to another window or one screen to another screen. So whatever we have discussed in the lecture about the Catia interface, the menu bar, file bar, application window and application toolbar, you can see here. So before starting with drawing, I will explain some of the option available here. So when you will go to the start menu, you will find all the module which are available within the Catia software, like infrastructure for the mechanical designing, for shape, analyze and simulation, eggplant, machining, digital mockup, equipment system, digital process for manufacturing, machining simulation, ergonomics design and analyze, knowledgeware, Innova V5 for VPM. So one of the student is asking for this. Some of the options are available in the SolidWorks also. So in SolidWorks, you will find only some of the module of Catia. You will not get the digital mockup. You will not get the ergonomics design and analyze option, as plant. So these are the some different module, advanced module which are available only in the Catia software. So when you will go to the infrastructure, you will get some features like product structure, material library, Catia V4, V3 and previous version, catalog editor, and some more options are there. In the mechanical design, this is the most important section on which we will focus because it is important to us as a mechanical engineer. So mechanical design contain part designing. You can select for, if you want to design some part, you can select this one. If you want to make a assembly of a different part, you can go to the assembly design. There are some options for sketching, product functional tolerancing and annotation. You can provide your tolerances and annotation to your drawing from here. If you want to do a weldment or welding process or welding designing here, welding designing, you can go to the particular module. One thing I want to add, if you remember in SolidWorks, there is option of weldment, so which have very limited option regarding the weldment profile. But in this particular Catia software, in the mechanical design feature option, you will get a weld design in which you will get all types of the welding beads, welding processes and welding design modules. Then you can, if you want, if you work in the tool design industry, like mold industry, like I have worked in the automotive industry, which are manufacturing a differential assembly. So for differential assembly, we required housing for that. That housing is created using a casting process or molding process. So that mold designing is done using the software which have a specific module, mold or tooling design. So you can design your mold as well as tool for that particular manufacturing process. You can convert your 2D layout for the 3D design. You can draft, you can core, or you can design core and cavity. So it has different modules within the mechanical design.